you are fine and doing well. I am Priyanka Ojha, your maths teacher. Today we will discuss about the 7th chapter of our book, that is multiples and factors. Today we will cover the topics factors, common factors and highest common factor, that is HCF. Okay students, let us start with our first topic, that is factors. What is a factor? Factors are the numbers that divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. An example of it is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Here 2 and 3 divide 6 exactly. So 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Let's see properties of factors. The first property of factor is 1 is the factor of every number. Means we can divide any number by 1. We see it by an example. If we divide 12 by 1, we are getting 12. If we divide 16 by 1, we are getting 16. The second property of factor is every number is a factor of itself. That means we can divide a number by itself. Example, 12 divided by 12 equals 1, or 16 divided by 16 equals 1. The third property of factor is all the factors of a number lie between 1 and the given number. Example, factors of 8. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here, the factors start with 1 and ends on 8. The fourth property of factor is a number has finite number of factors. That means a number has a limited number of factors. We see it by an example. Factors of 20. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. We can't write more than that factors only. We can find factors by two ways. The first one is using multiplication and the second one is by using division. Now see how we find the factors by using multiplication. Let us consider a number 20. We find the factors of it by using multiplication. The first factor we write here is 1 into 20 equals 20. Now the second one is 2 into 10 equals 20. Now 4 into 5 equals 20. Similarly, if we reverse that numbers, we are getting the same numbers here, because in multiplication, if we change the order of the number, the product will remain same. So 1 into 20 is equal to 20. Similarly, 20 into 1 is equal to also 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20 and 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 and 5 into 4 is also 20. Now the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. We see it from here. Let us see one more example of 32 by using multiplication method. 1 into 32 is equal to 32. 2 into 16 equals 32. Now 4 into 8 is equal to 32. Similarly, if we reverse the number, 32 into 1 is equal to 32, 16 into 2 is equal to 32 and 8 into 4 is equal to 32, we are getting the same number here. So, the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. We can also find it by using division method. Let's consider a number 28. 28 divided by 1 equals 28. 28 divided by 2 equals 14 and 28 divided by 4 equals 7. We can't take 3 here because 28 is not divisible by 3. Now the factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. See here, these are the factors and these are also the factors of that. See one more example of it. Let's take one number 16. We divide it. 16 divided by 1 equals 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8 and 16 divided by 4 equals 4. Now factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Come to our second topic, common factors and highest common factor HCF. Common means similar. Here we write the factors of two or more numbers and we find the similar factors from them. To find common factors, we take two numbers here. The first number is 12 and the second number is 16. First we write the factors of 12 and then we write the factors of 16. Now see, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now see the factors of 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these are the factors of 12 and these are the factors of 16. Now we see the common among them. 1 is common here, 2 is common here and 4 is common here. So the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 12 and 16. Let us see one more example of common factors. We have taken three numbers here, 20, 30 and 40. Now we write the factors of them. Factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now the factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. Now we see the common factors from here. Common factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So the common factors of 20, 30 and 40 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Let us study about HCF. HCF means highest common factor. To find HCF, first we find the common factors of the number, and after that we see which one is the highest factor among them. For this, we take two numbers. To find the HCF of 18 and 24, first we write the factors of both the numbers. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we see which one are common among them. This one is common, this is common, this one is common and this one is common. Now we see the common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6, from which 6 is the highest factor. So we write HCF is equal to 6. The HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Now see one more example of HCF. We take here three numbers 25, 35 and 45. We write the factors of 25, 35 and 45 here. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Now see the factors of 35. 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now see the factors of 45. It is 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now see the common factors among them. The common are 1 and 5 here. So the common factors of 25 and 35 and 45 are 1 and 5. Here 5 is the highest among them. So HCF of 25, 35 and 45 is 5. Now students, you understand what are factors, what are common factors and what are highest common factor. Students, let's discuss about our first question. Is 8 a factor of 40? Here, no need to write all the factors of 40. We only do the division here. If 40 is divisible by 8 completely, then 8 is the factor of 40. Now we do the division work here. Here we see when we divide 40 by 8, we are getting 5. That means 40 is completely divisible by 8. That means 8 is the factor of 40. We write here, yes, 8 is a factor of 40. Let us perform our second question. Our second question is 15 a factor of 104? For this, we divide 104 by 15. When we divide 104 by 15, it is not completely divisible. It leaves the remainder 14 here. So, we say that 15 is not a factor of 104. No, 15 is not a factor of Students, hope you have understood all the topics that I taught you. Practice all these at your home. Goodbye, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.